Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So most of you know we are trying to deep clean our home before the summer hits and all of our little parties start for the summer. So today we're going to be dusting off the walls, cleaning the baseboards, and I could not believe how much dust and debris came off of these walls. I got this wall duster from Lowe's, and if you guys are interested, I did put something comparable that I found on Amazon in the description box below, but I love this little dust mop. Guys, I literally had to put my head down as I was sweeping the walls because of all the dust that was coming off of there. You can't see it to the eye, but it was coming off where I had to actually put my head down and actually sweep the wall. I was actually in shock myself, but it's not like I've ever dusted the walls like this, so I love this little gadget. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? You guys see how long this duster is? Our ceilings are 20 feet high. I can't remember how tall this thing is, but our ceilings are 20 feet high in this front area. And look how long this thing is. Won't you love me like yesterday? Don't you feel it, how it feels, babe? Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? This thing was working like magic. I am not gonna lie. I love this thing. And honestly, I was just looking for something to kind of sweep the walls off and something that was tall. And I just ended up finding this at Lowe's while we were there looking for something else. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. definitely been wanting to get these baseboards clean. Honestly, you guys, I was going to hire somebody to do it because I know it's a lot of work. But what I ended up doing was going to Walmart, getting a brand new broom because I didn't want to sweep the baseboards and leave stuff that was already on the broom on the wall. I wanted it to be really clean, and it actually worked. But doing baseboards is a hard job. This was my first and my last time ever doing our baseboards. The next time, I will be hiring somebody to do this. You guys, let me show you the water. This is the first bucket. I did 2 buckets just for the baseboards in the front entryway of our home. This is how dirty the first bucket was. And I had to dump that and make another bucket to finish cleaning just the front entryway. So I don't know if that's a bad thing or a good thing. Our baseboards were just really dirty. And when you look at them, you can't really see it unless you are really close up. But when I finished cleaning these baseboards, they look so good. And all I used was soap and water. That's it. So again, I will be hiring somebody.
Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire. Tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby. Take me higher. I'm Sunday, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you
guys so much for clicking on my video. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the comments. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And until the next video, bye guys.